Welcome. Today, we're talking about 5 medicinal plants that can improve your health and well-being naturally. Echinacea. This plant is known for its immune-boosting properties and is often used to treat the common cold and flu. It can also help to reduce inflammation and may even have antiviral effects. Ginger is a popular medicinal plant that has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of ailments. It is known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, and is often used to treat nausea, motion sickness, and digestive issues. Turmeric. Like ginger, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory plant and is often used to treat a variety of conditions, including arthritis and irritable bowel syndrome. It is also high in antioxidants, making it a great choice for maintaining overall health and well-being. Ashwagandha. This plant is commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine and has been shown to have a number of health benefits. It is known for its stress-reducing and anxiety-relieving effects, and may also have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Aloe vera is a well-known plant that is commonly used to treat burns and skin conditions. It is also high in antioxidants and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects.